Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, so today we are going to start with the chapter sentences. Alright, so what do you mean by a sentence? You see, I have written here a group of words that makes complete sense is known as a sentence. Alright, now words which we will use to make a sentence must be arranged in proper order. Alright, must be arranged in proper order. Like, for example, I have given here, you see, she lives in Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. You see here, the words are arranged in proper order and you can understand the meaning, what it is trying to convey, right? That the girl lives in Mumbai. Alright, so it makes sense. Hence, it is a sentence. Alright, whereas in the next sentence you see, in leaves Mumbai she. You hardly get any meaning out of the second one. Okay, that's why it cannot be termed as a sentence. Moreover, in the second one, the words are not arranged properly. Alright, so now you see, we will move on to the types of sentences. Alright, here we will discuss about the 4 types of sentences. Number 1 is declarative. Declarative means statements. Okay, declarative means statements or the sentences which gives us information. Like, for example, first one you see, he cannot eat solid food. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm giving some information that the man or the boy cannot eat solid food. Alright, number second one, the school will remain closed today. It's also an information that the school will remain closed today. Okay, and one more thing you will remember, in declarative sentences, both positive and negative sentences are included. Now, negative sentence and positive sentences mean, in the first sentence you see, he cannot eat solid food. Not is used, isn't it? Where in the sentences where not, never, no, such words will be used are termed as negative sentences. Okay, whereas those sentences which do not contain all these words will be termed as positive sentence. Now, if I say he can eat solid food, that will be a positive sentence. Alright, so here 2 examples I have given. First one is a negative sentence, whereas the second one is a positive sentence. Alright, let's move on to the next type, that is imperative. Now, imperative sentence mean command, order or request when an order is given to you, okay, or a request has been made. Those sentences are imperative sentences. Like first one, you see, please help me. Please is there. When please is there, it's surely a request. Alright. Number 2, go and stand outside. This is clearly an order. Alright. Okay. So, let's go to the third type, that is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences contain emotions or excitement. Alright. Exclamatory excitement. Okay. Connection is there. Alright. It shows surprise, happiness, sorrow, wonder. For example, you see, I've given, what a pleasant surprise. Okay. Suppose you have seen somebody coming to your home without any information. So after seeing them, what will you say? What a pleasant surprise. Alright. Second one, wow, what a lovely palace it is. Alright. So both the sentences are examples of exclamatory sentences. Alright. I hope you have understood. Okay, let's move on to the next one. That is interrogative sentences. Interrogative means questions. Okay, questions always begin either with helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, okay, or question words like how, when, where, whom, what, etc. Okay, for example, do you like coffee? I'm asking a question. Do you like coffee? Okay, next, what do you want? Third one, are you tired? So all these sentences are examples of interrogative sentence. Okay, I'm repeating once again. Sentence means a group of words that gives us complete meaning. Okay, that gives us complete meaning, and the words must be arranged in proper order. All right, there are 4 types of sentences. Number 1 is declarative. Declarative sentences are statements or which gives us information. Okay, it can be positive also, it can be negative also. Second is imperative. Imperative means command, order, or request. Okay, like please. Third one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences mean it shows surprise, happiness, sorrow. It contains emotions and or excitement. Okay, and the fourth one is interrogative. Interrogative means questions. It either starts with am, is, are, where, has, have means helping verbs, or question words like how, when, where, what, whom. Okay, I hope you have understood. All right, so in book number 1, page number 7, you will see there are 2 exercises of sentences. First one, you will have to identify the types of sentences. Okay, means if declarative sentence you have got, you will write D, imperative sentence I, exclamatory E, and so on. Okay, and in the next sentence, in the next exercise, you will have to use proper punctuation marks. Okay, punctuation marks means usage of question marks, full stop, exclamation mark. When you will say declarative and imperative sentences, we use full stop. Okay, and when you will see exclamatory sentence, use exclamation marks. Okay, and when you will see interrogative sentences, use question marks for them. Thank you.